Hello, in this video I want to show you how to charge battery in WORX WX100. To do this, first you will need to connect the battery charger to the power source, and here I have it. Then take the battery and simply connect the battery with the charger. It should slide in, don't put it from the upper direction. And that way it should begin charging. You can also see all of the information regarding charging. So when it's blinking like this with green light, that means it's charging. When it's blinking with red light, that means it's overheating. When it's full red light static, that means the battery is discharged. And when it's static green light, that means the battery is fully charged. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.